Hello adventurers and visionaries. I'm Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse.Global, and today I invite you to journey with me to some of the most awe-inspiring locations on our planet. Bora Bora, Maui, Santorini, the Maldives, and Palawan. As we revel in the stunning vistas these islands offer, it's crucial to remember the significance each holds in the face of global changes. Climate alteration, geopolitical shifts, and the dawn of new technologies. Bora Bora, with its turquoise lagoon, reminds us of the delicate balance between beauty and vulnerability. Here, rising sea levels threaten not just the land, but the very spirit of the island. In Maui, the lush landscapes tell stories of resilience and adaptation, an inspiration as we face environmental challenges head-on. Santorini's breathtaking caldera views and unique architecture highlight the importance of preserving cultural heritage amidst global tourism and economic pressures. The pristine beaches of the Maldives are a stark reminder of what's at stake if we don't act to protect our coral reefs from bleaching and destruction. And Palawan, the last frontier, embodies the harmony between nature and humanity, urging us to innovate for sustainability and community support. Our Global Expansion 2030 Insights initiative is more than a project. It's a call to action. Together, let's embrace ethical engagement, empower local communities, and forge a path towards a resilient future. Join us, share your thoughts, and be part of shaping our world for the better. With visionary regards, Bernd Ferber.